gambles everything, all the goodwill he's built in the entire relationship on a single question. Let's see what happens. Episode 16 starts off how a lot of episodes seem to start off with shoulders. Why is Lauren ripping up one of his shirts to make them sleeveless? Because Faith is about to give him a tattoo.
And you're gonna stab it in the arm several 100,000 times. With different colors of ink.
Faith is understandably confused by this proposition. But Lauren reassures her that it happens all the time. My friends gave me this tattoo, and my ex-girlfriend gave me this tattoo. Which is actually pretty interesting. I had noticed that too previously when the scenes he had it shut off. I thought that, although it's not quite one-to-one, it does look very similar to the South Korean flag. It doesn't look exactly like the South Korean flag. It looks like it was been rotated and there's some more lines added. But it does kind of look like what the South Korean flag used to look like, according to Google. So again, I don't know if that's what this is supposed to represent, or if this is some other completely unrelated symbol that I'm just ignorant about. So if you know what this is, then let me know in the comments below. For the Lauren review, I got about 100 comments in that video expressing complete dismay that I don't know what yin and yang is. So for all the scientists out there, and for the people genuinely curious, that symbol specifically, with yin and yang in the middle and the 8 series of lines around it, is actually a Taoist symbol, Ba in Chinese, that represents the 8 opposing forces or energies in nature, and is also the central symbol in the ancient Chinese classic Yi Qi, often translated as the Book of Changes, which is an ancient Chinese divination classic that philosophical text that now, I'm probably still butchering at least the pronunciation. As a few commenters pointed out, it actually is that Ba Gua symbol that did inspire the South Korean flag that we see today. So, I was actually correct in my hypothesis. And all the commenters that were smugly telling me how amazingly ignorant I was and how aware you were, as a way to bond and celebrate their relationship. I
don't want to go back to Vegas. I don't want to go back to my life.
And the two of them leaving the immigration office with more uncertainty around their future than they came in with. And while this news would be tough for pretty much any relationship to handle, this seemed to be the straw that broke the camel's back for them, because as we see in the next scene, this relationship